Friends, I welcome you all on my new YouTube channel, and today we are going to study a new chapter, that is GK Miscellaneous. GK Miscellaneous, we will study here many chapters like page number 54, 56, 57, and 64. So without wasting any single time, let's start. Directors from Hollywood. We all had seen Hollywood movies, and we all had felt that those movies are just extraordinary, all right, and because of that they all had gained fame for their superb direction by talented directors. And this chapter we are going to study directors from Hollywood, not from Bollywood, all right. So let's identify who are they and which movie they all had directed. So let's start from picture number one. And who is he? Do you know? Well, I'll tell you, he had directed a movie named Jaws. Even he had directed a movie named Jurassic Park. So, who is he? Steven Spielberg. Moving to the next one, yes, you have to again identify who is he. Do you know the name of the director? Yes, he also had directed a movie named The Dark Knight and Tenet, Interstellar, Inception. So, student, if you know, then just tell me. Well, I'll tell you, he is Christopher Nolan. All right, who is he? Christopher Nolan, and he is a British American film director. All right. So, student, I'm moving to the next one, picture number three, and yes, again, you have to identify who is he. Well, I'll give you the clue also that he had directed a movie named Kill Bill. Alright, and he had also directed like Pulp Fiction and Reservoir Dogs. So you have to just tell me who is he. He is Quentin Tarantino. Quentin Tarantino. Quentin Tarantino is an American film director, screenwriter, producer, and actor. Alright? So just you have to again tell me who is he, and you know that we all had seen this movie many times. It's still my favorite movie which he had directed. Okay, so just tell me who is he. He is James Cameron. All right, and he had directed a movie Titanic. All right. So just I'm moving to the next one, and yes, again you have to guess who is he in the picture. So, New York, New York is a movie that is a Hollywood movie, and it is directed by Martin Scorsese. Martin Scorsese. Alright. So, Martin Scorsese is an American film director, producer, screenwriter. The full name of Martin Scorsese is Martin Charles Scorsese. Alright. So, again, you have to identify who is he. He had directed a movie named The Godfather, right? It's also a very famous movie of Hollywood, and you have to tell me who is the director of this movie. So if you know the answer, you all can write in chat box. I'm waiting for your answer. So student, reply. Yes, this movie is directed by Francis Ford Coppola. Francis Ford Coppola is an American film director, alright? He is an American film director as well as producer and screenwriter. And he had also directed many movies like The Godfather Part 2, The Godfather Part 3, alright? I'm moving to the next one. Yes, Eraserhead. You all can see in the picture, Eraserhead movie. It's a famous Hollywood movie, and you have to tell about who had directed this movie. Well, this movie is directed by David Lynch. David Lynch is an American filmmaker. He's a painter, guitarist, writer, and actor. Alright, and he had directed many other movies like Twin Peaks, Blue Velvet. Okay, so moving to the next one, picture number 8, Star Wars movie. Star Wars movie is an Hollywood movie, and that is directed by George Lucas. All right, this movie is also directed by George Lucas. George Lucas He was born on May 14, 1944, and he is an American film director, producer, screenwriter, and he is best known for creating his movie The Star Wars. All right, and he had also directed many movies like Star Wars, The Phantom, Star Wars Return, Star Wars, The Revenge of the Sith, right? So he had directed many movies there. So let's move to the next one. Let's color the canvas. Paintings are the best way of expressing one's feeling, right? I had seen that many person had hobbies of paintings. Whenever they get time, they just started paint whatever they like. All right. So it's a best way to express your feelings. Some of the paintings have gained tremendous popularity all around the world. So you all have to read about some selective paintings, and you have to also identify who are behind these famous paintings. So let's begin. The Walk to Emmaus. So, student, the Walk to Emmaus is a famous painting of Lelio Orsi. All right. And now moving to the next one, that is the Last Supper. Last Supper is the famous painting of Leonardo da Vinci. And the third one is The Heaven. It's a famous painting of John Constable. John Constable. The third one is Madonna of Chancellor Reign. It is a famous painting of John van Eyck. And the next one is Sunflower. Sunflower is a famous painting of Vincent van Gogh. The next one you all can see in the picture number 6. It's a famous painting of Mary Cassatt. Here the weeping woman. It's a famous painting of Pablo Picasso. Moving to the next slide. Yes, again here painting number 8. The Flute Concert is a famous painting of Adolphe Menzel, and this one, The School of Athens, is a famous painting of Raphael. And student, do you know, after the Taliban destroyed the ancient Buddha statue in 2001, archaeologists discovered a series of ancient caves with 1000 years of old paintings depicting various scenes from the Buddhist mythology. They are believed to be the oldest oil paintings ever found. Now, students, moving to the quiz number 3. Yes, the question number 1 is, in which continent is the South Pole located? Antarctica. The correct option is Antarctica is the continent that is located in South Pole. All right, moving to the next one. Who was the first person to reach the South Pole? Very easy. So the correct option is Roald Amundsen. Roald Amundsen is the first person to reach the South Pole. Question number 3. The North Pole covered with ice cap and the frozen Arctic Sea. Question number 4. Large glaciers on the poles move slowly due to weight of ice and gravity. Alright. A landform formed after melting of glaciers leaving behind ridges of rock is called moraine. Alright. The next one is, which of the following is a type of iceberg found in the Arctic? So the correct option is flat topped tubular. Moving to the next slide. The skin of white fur polar bears found in the North Pole is white. No doubt they are black in color, but they live in this North Pole, and due to the reflection and due to the fur, therefore they look like white fur. All right. Which of the following birds migrates from Arctic to Antarctica and back? That is Arctic tern. The next one is, the highest point of Antarctica is Vinson Massif. Vinson Massif is the highest point of Antarctica. Who was the first man to reach the North Pole? Again, it's very easy question. That is Robert Peary. Space is completely empty. All right. Earth is a part of which galaxy? It's a Milky Way. So student, if you really like the video, then like it, subscribe it, and yes, if you have any query, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the box below. All right, thank you for watching.